Here's the best way you can make 5 to 10K a month at least as a complete beginner. And all you need is a computer and your phone. And honestly, don't worry about too many people doing this because over half of people probably have already scrolled by. And the market for this side hustle is literally billions and billions of people with high demand. So I'm about to walk you through this whole process. Make sure to like this video and save it for later. So the process I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. Here's how you can get all set up. So the first thing you need to do is get on digistore24.com and start now for free. Once you sign in, go to Marketplace and then all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Once there, you can choose a niche here that you're interested in. I'm gonna go with personal development. Now scroll through and find a product that you like with both high popularity and a high commission rate. This specific personal development product gives you 80% commissions. And then click on Promote Now. Once you do that, you get a custom link to promote that product. Once you get that custom link to you, if someone chooses to buy that link through you promoting it, you get paid for that one $50 for every sale. The key is just getting it out there through organic marketing or social media paid ads or email marketing. My personal favorite kind of affiliate marketing is high ticket affiliate marketing, where you sell expensive products and get high commissions if you make a sale. I personally am an affiliate for a product that gives me up to $5,000 for every single sale I make. That's how you fast track your way to wealth. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, make sure to comment below any questions you have. I'd love to answer them for you. Also, me and my 7-figure mentor help people personally get started with this. If you want free training in high ticket affiliate marketing, make sure to comment below. I'll personally reach out to you and get it to you. Let's get started.